A catalog publisher needs to lease a copy machine for use during a special project that they anticipate will take 3 months. It costs $225 per month plus 3.2 cents per copy to rent the machine. The company must stay within a budget of $4,500 for copies. Determine, in terms of an inequality, the number of copies they can make and still remain within budget. So let's let X represent the number of copies. We're told in the problem that the cost of the copier will be 3.2 cents per copy plus $225 per month for 3 months. So in terms of the number of copies, we know it's 3.2 cents per copy, and we're going to convert 3.2 cents into dollars. That's equivalent to saying $0.032 being equivalent to 3.2 cents per copy multiplied by X, and there's your price per copy. And additional cost will be $225 per month for 3 months, so we need to take $225 times 3. So this whole expression represents the total cost for renting the machine. And we need this cost to be less than or equal to $4,500. So we'll simplify it. We have 0.032x plus 225 times 3 is 675. This needs to be less than or equal to 4,500. Now we'll subtract 675 from both sides, and that leaves us with 0.032x is less than or equal to 3,825. Now we'll divide both sides by 0.032, and on the left those factors divide out, and we're left with x is less than or equal to 3,825 divided by 0.032 is 119,531.25. Now we cannot make a fraction of a copy, or we cannot make or produce part of a copy, so we need to round this downward to the next whole number of copies. So our final answer will be X, the number of copies, must be less than or equal to 119,531 copies in order to stay within the budget of $4,500.